If your organization is like most others, you have a mission, you have an organization chart, and you have a staff with a mix of skill sets. The question is this: are all parts of your organization aligned and moving in the same direction? Aras Performance Group would like to share some thoughts with you. We hope this will give you some new ideas about how to help your organization meet its highest potential. First, let's start with vision. Do you have a clear understanding of where you would like your organization to be in the future? Your leadership team should work to articulate a clear vision. Here are some examples of effective vision statements. Acme Company will be the market leader in widget sales in the U.S. by 2020. Hope Partnership will have the capacity to shelter and feed 5,000 people daily by 2015. The town of Mayberry will reduce resident taxes by privatizing sanitation and recreation services. It is vital that the core leadership team agrees on the vision of the organization and shares a high level of motivation to make it a reality. There must be engagement and enthusiasm at the top of the organization. If this isn't present uniformly, you'll want to look deeply at why this is and address the issues and the players who are not motivated. Next, what skill sets will you need on your team in order to realize your vision? Do you need product specialists and engineers, development and fundraising expertise, grant writers, technologists, call center staff? What about leadership and management capacity? Identify the key skill sets that are essential to your vision. Now, impose some structure. Think about how you will organize your staff to best deploy the key skill sets throughout the organization. Is a new organization chart in order? What are the strengths on the leadership team? Who is best suited to manage which functions? Think about the integration of support skills such as information technology, human resources, and accounting. How can you best incorporate those functions to make them a part of the strategic vision? Would a matrix structure help to foster collaboration? Okay, let's get back to vision. What specific things do you need to do to fulfill your vision? Identify the strategic objectives that you will need to accomplish. Most importantly, how will you know that you have reached your goals along the way? Establish metrics that are specific, outcome-oriented, aligned, and reaching. Metrics need not be complex, but they do need to be specific and tied to your vision. For example, for Acme Company to realize their vision of becoming the market leader in widget sales in the U.S. by 2020, one of their objectives may be to increase trade show sales. A metric for this goal might be to increase 2013 gross trade show sales revenue by 20% for sales where first customer contact was made at a trade show. Great, your foundation is in place. Let's start building on it. Let's take a close look at your people. You've identified the skill sets you need and the objectives that you need to meet. So, how well prepared are your current people to meet those challenges? Are there skill gaps? If so, will you hire new staff, develop existing staff, or do some of each? How will you communicate the vision and get everyone on board with it? Are there people who no longer fit the new vision? How will you handle that? How will you assign objectives to staff for them to develop full work plans? Besides your staff, what other people are key to your success? Think about your customers, business partners, industry colleagues, legislators, regulators, and so on. Identify all of your primary stakeholders. How will you relay your vision to them? What roles can they play in your success? Of course, you can't leave your people teetering on their own. They need effective processes and technology to support their efforts. Now, step back and take a look. Are your leadership team and staff all well versed in your vision? Can everyone recite it? More importantly, do they understand it and understand why this is the vision at this point in time? Is everyone engaged? Does your structure work? Is everyone working on the objectives that are tied to the vision? Do you have specific ways to measure progress? Does everyone have the necessary skills to do their work, or are they actively acquiring new skills? Are there appropriate and effective processes and technology in place to support your growth? If you've answered yes to these questions, congratulations. You have a well-aligned and integrated organization. You will be well prepared to continue growing as you expand your vision in the future and undertake the same process to ensure continued alignment and success. Do you have questions or comments? Would you like to learn more? Please contact Aras Performance Group at advance@arasperformance.com or 518-859-7348. We look forward to hearing from you.